How's it going, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully everyone is staying safe and being responsible out there. The holiday season is upon us. Black Friday is tomorrow and the deals have already started. So I kind of wanted to go through those with you guys to show you what you can save on throughout the weekend. We are currently running our site-wide Black Friday 10% off sale using the code BFSale10. So you can use that code until the end of day Sunday to get 10% off your order. Some exclusions do apply, and that code doesn't stack on other discounts. Aside from that, we also have a bunch of different brands that usually do not discount their products unless it's this time of year. So I'm gonna run through the list that I've got here, starting off with Cobb. If you're wanting to pick up an access port or an intake or any other Cobb products, those are gonna be 10% off until Monday. Subispeed products are also 10% off until next Wednesday. And then if you're wanting to add some bags to your car, airlift suspension is going to be 10% off until Monday. If you just want some regular coilovers, some of the BC Racing coilovers are going to be discounted until Monday. Or otherwise, if you want an exhaust for your car, AWE tuning exhausts are going to be 15% off until Monday. And the Diode Dynamics lighting products are going to be 15% off until Tuesday. And then last but not least, if you are looking for some nice performance wheels, Apex Race Parts wheels, some of those are going to be discounted until Monday. And that is basically the list for the discounts alongside our Black Friday sale. Those that I just listed off do not require a code. On top of that, we're also gonna be running some doorbuster sales tomorrow from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. Central Time. You can get any Subispeed, OLM, GCS, Carbon Reproductions, RSP products for 20% off. And also during that time frame, Faction Fab is gonna be 25% off, which is huge. They've got coilovers, brake pads, wheel spacers, all sorts of stuff. During the same time frame, if you happen to miss out on that, we're gonna give you another chance on Monday, same time frame, 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. Central Time. Those prices, those discounts are gonna be exclusive to that time frame. If you happen to miss out on that, the Faction Fab products are still gonna be 20% off until Tuesday, and then everything else I listed, Subispeed, OLM, GCS, Carbon Reproductions, and RSP are going to be 15% off until Tuesday. Now, I've also got a new product to show you guys. These are the new OLM Hikari Series LED headlights for the 2015 WRX and STI. These are going to be available tomorrow, and they're gonna be a part of the Doorbusters deals if you wanna pick them up for that 20% discount. I'm gonna run through the functions real quick with you guys. The C light is going to be your DRL, and the top portion of that C light is actually going to act as your sequential turn signal. And then in the center, you'll see those LED reflectors that are gonna be your low and high beam. And then on the side, we have the mandatory orange reflector that's going to be your parking light. Now, if you aren't a big fan of that orange reflector, we're actually gonna have a smoked overlay available that's going to help cover that up and kind of black things out, and that is gonna be available on the website as well. That pretty much covers it, guys. I will leave a link to the headlights down in the description, and I'll list off all of the sales and discounts I went through as well, so you can browse through those. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next time.